This is a brief demo of this Yoctoazel moon tracker I've been working on. It's an application I've been creating. So you can see that my sensor is pointed towards the moon. The moon is displayed right down here. These are the moon coordinates, and this is where my sensor is pointed. And then this, if you watch closely, there's a crosshair. Is displaying my sensor relative to the position of the center of the moon. So I'll let you watch that for a second. You can see the moon is actually drifting to the west, which is what we would expect. These indicators mean, this one right here means it's not moving up, it's not trending up or down, it's steady. So you see the trend number, and then the moon current, and then the array position. Then over here is array position, moon current azimuth, and the trend. Last 5 minutes, the trend. It's basically an average of about 300 seconds. So it gives me an indicator. So you can see that it's still moving up and it's still moving to the west, which means that the moon would be going in this sort of direction, diagonally. And because the moon would be going this way, my aim point that isn't really moving, my sensor is stationary right now, drifts slowly to the southwest of the moon. So I'll show you the sensor sitting on a tripod. Pardon the clutter. There's the sensor. Little degree marks on the tripod. So this thing can turn and traverse. And as I turn it, I'm going to turn it this way towards the west. You'll see this indicator right here will start to drift off, and when it's off the moon by 2 degrees, 3 degrees, it turns red. So you can see there. And you can also see my aim point change. Now I'll switch it, move it back slowly. Roughly back to center. The same sort of thing happens with elevation. I'll show you that in a second. I just have to make a change. Hold on. Okay, so now I'm going to move the elevation on my sensor up, and you can see this goes to red because now I'm out of my 2 to 3 degree range, and the aim point is going up. So if I continue to go up, aim point goes up. Apparently I'm moving it a little bit azimuthal wise also. So back down. So now it's basically back down into sync where it should be, roughly. That's it. I just thought I'd show you how the tracking with the sensors working, and this nifty little window for aiming, which is nice because you don't really have to pay attention to the numbers so much if you're just watching this aim point.